Yeah. All right. I think we're chilling now. I think we got it going on. I think we got the screen fixed up. Yeah. It's looking good. Ooh, I see it all, baby. I see it all. Hit the wall. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. I just did a whole nice analysis on everything, but you couldn't see half the screen. So this is my second live stream. Give me some slack. But I won't. It won't be this bad in the future because I kind of know what I'm doing now. Okay. Yeah, look at that vortex. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, opening up the chat. This is my second live stream. Give me some slack. Why does it sound like that? It's echoey. It won't be this bad in the future. Why did? Yo. Okay. All right. Look at that vortex. All right. Something's going. Oh, that's why. Okay. Audio. I'm muting that. Okay. Now we should have a solid stream of my voice and my voice only. Is this a correct statement? Is this a correct statement? Why did? Yo. All right. Something's going. Oh, that's why. Okay. Audio. I'm muting that. Perfect. All right. The voice sounds beautiful. We got the whole screen going on. Now you can actually understand what I'm freaking saying. I'm very bummed that you couldn't see the analysis that I just went through because it could definitely help you if you don't know really what you're doing day trading. But it's okay because I can go over it in any coin you choose. All right. All right, cool. Does that look better, sound better? Look better, sound better. Because it could definitely help. Yeah, all right, cool. We're in there. Hydra, looking great. Looking great. Why is it looking great? I'll do a quick an overview. We saw a head and shoulders pattern, started showing strong support here. Not only did it come back down, test this support, it broke through the support. What did it do after it broke through? It found the buyer stepped in right around these 661 levels. What happened? Major bagger, filled it up. Christmas came early for this guy, and it sucks. So someone, I don't know if it was a freak algorithm that had a buy alert in but didn't get triggered like when it first dropped. Something happened here, got pushed all the way up, wiping out all the sellers. Now, the algorithms do this. Why do they do this? Think about it. They push up to wipe out all of the people that are weak hands and want to sell at the break-even point. Those who bought in here, okay? They're like, oh, I don't want to sell for a loss. So what am I going to do? I'm going to sell for my break-even right as it comes back up. I need this money to pay rent. So the algorithm push it up to knock all those traders out. Look at this, slowly accumulating back up. Very slowly accumulating back all the way up to the top of this range where previously we saw major selling pressure. So what does that mean? They're testing to see if the sellers are there. Okay, that's boom. They sold their bags, some of it, but they are, man, it's about to spike. I really think it will, because this is just classic sweeping behavior. They're sweeping all the weak hands out before they freaking move this thing higher. All the people who sold their break evens are going to get back in around this area, most likely, just psychologically speaking. What's going to happen? It's going to stop moving once those people start coming back in, because the algorithms are automatically, once they see external people buying in, they're going to start selling the bags that they have accumulated. Hail Hydra. Why would you buy into I don't know what that is, man. Doggle Con Mars. Unless you just hope someone pumps and dumps it. It is used for literally nothing. It's just like Shiba Inu in its beginning phases. Shiba Inu, I rode that whole wave. People were saying it's used for nothing. Okay, if you think about it, all crypto is used for nothing. It's all hype. And what are we here to do? We're here to make money, okay? Can you make money with Doggle on Mars? You can make a lot of money with Doggle on Mars. We are very early. If you're holding long term like I am at the moment, I might start day trading it soon. If you're holding long term, they are going to start rolling out applications, a whole ecosystem in Doggle on Mars, just like Shiba Inu did. And since it is the third largest meme currency, it has the biggest opportunity of blowing up. It is a very, very, very low market cap. It has very good connections with very famous foundations and even NASA. It is donating to many things and is making many news articles. Now, that being said, even though there's no real use case utility now, there will be in the future. Or they will make it seem like there is. Now, to be completely frank, there's not much use case in crypto that I have found, unless you're using like metaverse coins where you can buy things in games like skins or NFTs. Okay, we have a lot of NFTs, ecosystems blowing up. And that is what Doggle on Mars will come out with. They will come out with their own NFTs. They will come out with their own ecosystem. And it will blow up. It will just take time. The creator or creators are waiting for the right moment. Imagine if they release an ecosystem right now. When the entire market is down, it will get no traction, no mainstream news, and no one will buy it. Okay? They're just simply waiting for the markets to reverse. We are still creating higher lows in the overall markets. Looking very nice. They are waiting for the markets to reverse, to come out with better news, hype it up, and then that's when we make a lot of money. Did that answer your question, Evan? I use Litecoin and Bitcoin to actually purchase things. The other are meme coin pump and dumps. Okay, that's pretty cool. You use Litecoin and Bitcoin. They are definitely becoming more accepted around the world right now. But you can't go out and buy a house with Bitcoin. At least you can privately, but it's not a mainstream currency at the moment. You might be able to, buy a taco for your friend and then send him some Ethereum through MetaMask with like $200 fees if you really wanted to do that. But other than that, it's not a mainstream currency. But saying that the other meme coins are pump and dumps, I see where you're getting that mentality. And I don't care. Like, as long as you get in early, just like Shiba Inu, even if it is a pump and dump, you get in early and you get out at the top. You make your money and get out. It doesn't matter. Okay? Money is money. Yeah, you can. You can what? Evan, do you have any coins you would like me to do some analysis? You're really hopping on me with this meme coin stuff. Let's go through Shiba Inu. I want to give you a little rundown and what happened there. I think it's in the 15th spot. HODL on hardware. Wait for the CBDC, central bank digital currencies, and have fun. That is one strategy for sure. It's more wealth creation over the long term. It's a sound strategy. Okay, look, months on end, spiked up. Okay, I got in initially around the 16 levels, these 17 levels. Okay, before it even broke this previous all-time high. Came up, stagger, add more. I added more because I saw higher lows, nice volume, major news. The market was absolutely about to pump. Okay, came out with the news at the correct time. Boom, spiked. I sold around these upper 60 levels. Okay, before I sold everything around these upper 60 levels before it crashed. So you are hoping you can pick a meme coin and hope it blows up. Shiba blew up because people wanted another Dogecoin. The people who miss Doge hop into Sheep. What about the people who miss Sheep? What about... It's the same thing over and over. They're just going down the line at the moment. I made money on both. A lot of people made a lot of money on meme coins. Like, if you're trading ethically, if you really care about if it is a pump and dump, because seriously, none of this really has any real case utility in the real world. It's simply just, it's all about hype and marketing. But that doesn't mean you can't make money. But if you're concerned about the ethics of meme coins, then go trade some stocks, bro. You'll see a lot of pump and dumps there as well. But I wouldn't consider this a pump and dump simply because the market cap is absolutely enormous. Pump and dumps normally take place in lower market caps to where pump and dumps look like this. It spikes and then it just crashes and it stays low. This spiked, crashed, and now it's creating nice supports, okay, before it goes again. Well, then the money spreads too much to all these forked coins, and coins won't get 100,000% gains anymore. Same happened with GME and AMC. The other meme stocks didn't blow up anymore. I mean, if you don't want to hold Doggle on Mars, don't hold it. It seems like you have a bias towards meme coins for some reason. But it's very much, all charts are looking very similar. If you look at the market cap of Doggle on Mars compared to where Shiba Inu was, market cap is currently 384 million. Okay. And I made the same exact analysis with Shiba Inu compared to Dogecoin. It's just going down the line. Okay, this was the first biggest. This was the second biggest. Doggle on Mars is the third biggest. Think about it. $12 billion market cap. In order for it to go 10x again, it would have to be at 120. All right? That's not happening. It might happen in in a couple of years. Whenever the cycle hits a peak, we might see 120. But not anytime soon. With a $384 million market cap, it is much easier to move that. That's the only reason why we are seeing this major dip in Shiba Inu. So this was at a $2 billion market cap, okay? When it was holding very, very steadily. 300, yeah, there wasn't even a 300, but there was, but very, very, it was before it got on CoinMarketCap. Well, then the money spread, okay, yeah, you said that. Okay, I read that. Same thing's happening. We are very, very early at this moment in time. It's just going to take time. That's all. If you're holding long term, then Doggle on Mars is a great coin to hold. If you're day trading, then you want to look at the coins with market caps lower. So your choice is to buy or not, man. What I do is target coins with complementary graph behaviors. Like one goes higher, the other low, but which have a long-term increase trend. Works well for me. Yeah, increase volume and decrease position. Increase position. Taken with long-term increase leads to increase volume and decrease position. You can't do TA on a useless coin. Yes, you can. It is all about media attention on why they blew up. You can definitely do TA on on anything, because it's all about the algorithms. When you're doing technical analysis, when you're day trading, it's all about the algorithms. Long term, it's about emotional. All the price action does is gives you an indication on what emotional cycles we are in. Okay? Once you figure that out, you can get in whenever the best time is and then hold until you need to get out. Simply based on emotional cycles. And these emotional cycles come to supports and they hit resistances. My method mostly relies on risk diffusion. You can barely even do TA on stocks. TA is like astrology. Okay. I don't know what to you're yes, you can. I have done it. I made a lot of money from it. I mean, you might not be able to. If you want to learn how, then give me a coin and I'll teach you. But I understand your perspective as well. With identifying patterns, because patterns as in things like the head and shoulders, things like the falling wedge or the bullish pendant, okay? Like flag patterns, okay? Those don't normally work, and the percentage of success is like 50%. But what does work, I don't trade on flag patterns or any of that type of stuff. I simply trade based on emotion, based on price action, and based on confirmation. Kind of like the heat equation, but act like it's risk instead. So you increase your variety of holdings in order to diffuse the volatility. Okay, I see what you're saying. So it's kind of like the S&P, where you like an ETF. Having chosen tokens that have complementary behaviors. Interesting. The unfortunate part is that most coins are pegged to the bigger ones at this moment, because the whole market cap is under 2 trillion. So it's not very big yet. And over time, as it grows, the coins will start forking off and creating their new own path. But at this current point in time, most charts look the same because they're pegged to like Ethereum, Bitcoin. TA only works if a lot of people drew the same lines as you. Okay, man. I don't think you're quite getting it. I do really see where you're coming from, though. I really do. It's not about the traders. The traders are who are getting fooled. Okay? It's about understanding the algorithms that are programmed to take the traders' money. Once you understand, it's a completely different perspective on the whole market. If you trade like every other technical analysis trader, you're not going to make money because you will always be one step behind the computer. If you use the computer's weaknesses against them and know what the computer is going to do based on where the retail traders are buying and selling and how the computer is manipulating the market, that is where you have the advantage. And that is how I trade with technical analysis. Does that make sense? A TA only works if a lot of people drew the same lines as you. 90% of trades are made by algorithms. The people are who are losing their money. The people who trade with technical analysis that don't understand that aspect of things will lose. That's why there's a very high percentage of losing day traders. Anyways, this is Doug Mars. Lives are fun. I like talking to you guys. It's pretty dope. We've been on. It's 3. How long is this live chat gone? 3:13 a.m. I started this thing at 1:30. Hope you guys are finding value in it. Ethereum. What remains is the long-term slow increase of value. And yep, absolutely part of the trick is picking coins that have different behaviors on some time scale, utilizing the differences in their pegging. Yeah. Kind of like you're doing with Hydra. You're staking it and making a nice little profit. Or things like Aave, another staking crypto. That's one to check out if you haven't. I see what you're saying. But what happens if something tragic happens and let's just say the United States bans cryptocurrency and says Fedcoin is the only legal digital currency, then everything's going to take a dip. And that's where holding long term, that's the downside of it. Because long term, if something really does happen like that, then you want to, it would be tragic because it won't be as valued as it was if one of the largest economies in the world says, no, we're not taking it. However, when you swing trade weeks, months at a time, or even day trade, you mitigate that risk by you're not leaving it to outside factors like the news and what other people say about this. It is all up to you in your abilities to look at the charts, understand the emotional cycles, and get in and out at the right time. It is all you. All you. I highly doubt algos are buying and selling meme coins. Maybe Bitcoin trying to sell into stop losses. But that's about it. Okay. Daylight savings today. Smart man it is. I didn't know that. Complementary behaviors ends up with mostly canceling behaviors, save for the long-term increase. When one is up, the other is down, but the long trend is increasing. Yes, always something can happen. Hence, you never invest more than you can without caring. Yes. Never invest more than you are willing to lose. And it's not because if you lose the money, then you'll be screwed. It's because you'll get way too emotional if you keep money in that you need, rather than if you keep money in that you don't need. You won't care about it. But to answer your question, Evan, I'll just drop time frames real quick. Okay. Look at this volume. Look at this volume. This is a meme coin. No, this is Ethereum. Let's go to Dog on Mars. Elon. You say algorithms are not trading. All right. We'll drop. Like drop. 5 minutes. What is this? Do you think retail traders are up at 3:17 in the morning? Yes, people are across the world. But do you think that they are moving these markets right now? Do you really think that? On a Saturday night, who's buying and selling this? Okay? It's algorithms. Okay? It's algorithms. And the only reason it's staggering at this moment, look, the only reason it is right here, staggering, is because it's waiting for people to buy in or sell before it makes its decision on where to move the markets afterwards. Hope you're doing well in life, man. Thank you, Teflon. I hope you are as well, my man. Insomnia is pure evil. Yeah. I drank a lot of coffee before this, so all my friends were out at the bar getting lit, but I'm just like, nah, I'm just trying to look at crypto. I want to do this and help you guys going live. I could have done this just not on live, but it's actually really fun talking to you guys. What's up, Teflon? What coin you want me to analyze? Let's do it, man. Let's do it. Evan, what do you think about what I just said with the lower time frames? Are you still set on the algorithms are not trading that? Let's just take another look at the 1 minutes for you real quick. Just real quick. Okay. These are the 1 minute candles. All right. Look at this. It's just staggering. Boom, boom. Just staggering. 1 minute candles are very messy on low volume coins. What's the volume on those candles? Low volume equals higher bid-ask spread. That's why the coin will move more at 3 a.m. I drink coffee all day and night. When I get off work, I come home to watch crypto and wait for the stock market to open. Dude, hey, shoot me an email. Do I look at stocks? Yes, I do look at stocks. I actually started trading futures. I'm going to put my email in the chat so we can keep in contact. But yeah, I used to trade futures, and I learned a lot. I traded it during COVID when we were all locked in. My crypto moves. Okay, I just sent it in the chat. Shoot me an email. Let's keep in contact. But yeah, I used to trade stocks and futures. I used to day trade futures, and that's where I learned most of this information, technical analysis wise. So I decided one day to try it in crypto, and it worked, and here I am. But yes, stocks I'm holding just long term right now. Some TSM, Taiwan Semiconductors, because they make like 90% of the chips, and we're in a chip shortage right now. So check that out. I hold some BRCC. Let's look that up. I'm actually curious. BRCC stock. I got in around that 9 area. So they're a merger, and a lot of people. It's a very political stock, to say the least, and a lot of people don't like it. But I think that creates a moat around their whole business, because people hate it and people freaking love it. So that is a whole moat around their business. And that is what really differentiates this coffee company compared to all other coffee companies. But yeah, I got it around this 9 level. 9. Where's it? 9, yeah. And then it went up 20. Now it's just consolidating. I've added some more as well. Check out ABT for sure. Pete's Coffee, whole bean, fresh ground, 1/2 cup in French press. Pete's Coffee, never heard of that. That sounds good. I could use one of those right now. Teflon Dawn. Nice choice. Good recession stock. Let's look at it. ABT. Abbott Laboratories. What is this? Laboratories. Is it medical? Probably. Oh, wow. Nice little dip going on here. What's the dividends looking like? Okay, not too shabby. Not too shabby. $1.88 per share. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Market cap $201 billion. Wow, that's big. Very big. Brother, beans are so good. The beans, man. I gotta try it. I don't think there's one near me, but I'll look it up. Overvalued. I don't really look at the... I only look at this to see how other people perceive the stock. If they perceive it as overvalued, then that's something to take into consideration. But it doesn't really influence a decision. It is in a downtrend, but good buy opportunity. Yeah, I'll have to do some more research on it. But I'm very curious as to what. Excuse me. Most stocks are down right now. Let's look at Tesla. Very curious. Yeah, $7.95. I remember looking at this when it was $100. $100. I was paper trading at the time. And I just held. Thinking about them beans, baby. Thinking about them beans. I could need some beans right now. Look, the ads are targeting me. I've been looking up Alienwares because I really want to get one. That's actually a high PE for healthcare. Is it a tech healthcare company? Let's go back to it and check it out. ABT stock. We'll do some more little research going on here. All right. ABT. Where's the news? I don't use this. No, not the comment section. Never get in the comment section on yahoo.com. ABT stock, okay. Stock Friday, okay. Profile, here we go. Abbott Laboratories engages in the discovery, development, manufacture, and sale of broad and diversified line of healthcare products. Products. It operates through the following segments: established pharmaceutical products, nutritional products, diagnostic products, and medical devices. The established pharmaceutical products segment refers to the international sales of a line of branded generic pharmaceutical products. Nutrition products, worldwide sales of adult and pediatric nutritional products, diagnostic product segments, test for blood. So they sell a lot of stuff in the medical field. Okay. Gross margin. That is a nice gross margin. Wow. That's pretty good. Return on equity is looking real cool, actually. All these percentages. They make baby food and Pedialyte. Man, they're going to push EV big time. Yeah, dude. Yeah. Rare earth metals will be good until asteroid mining kicks off. I use TradingView. TradingView is great. Wait till people get hit with prion diseases like dementia and Alzheimer's. The insurance cost is going to blow up. Yeah. Yeah, we were talking about that earlier. Talking with my friend about all that stuff. And it's pretty crazy, dude. It's pretty crazy. Based on the current market, I wonder what will, based on our current world economy, everything, I wonder what will be affected and what stocks will be affected in a positive way that we can look at. What industry, okay, let's break it down. What industries in the coming months, based on the overall world economy, are going to be affected? So we're going to have chips, food, medical, a lot of things, oil. EV is by the rumor sell and sell the news. I bet it sells off for a while. Let's look at EV, like Neo or something. Neo. I'm very curious. I used to trade this one. 16. Wow. It really dipped. Yeah, really dipped. It's weird, huh? As oil prices are rising, EV is dropping. What? Why? Charge point. Why? Like, this is the chargers that charge all the Teslas. Not all of them, but they charge a lot of them. And it's down. China controls almost all rare earth metals right now. That's why Afghanistan was about. Yeah. CEI, if the world keeps going on. I'm guessing that's a ticker. Camber Energy. Let's check it. Huh. Really? What makes you say this, if this is what you're talking about? I mean, they've been on the market for a good bit. I don't know why volume is starting to thicken up now, or if they just didn't record the volume previously. This might have been what happened, but why? What? Okay. Right now, also rare earths can't be recycled. Yeah, the EV bubble was insane, and it still is in some stocks like this one. God, dude, that's insane. Osmium is more rare than platy, but is so cheap. Wait till they find a use for it. Are there any mining companies that might go up? I haven't looked at stocks in a good little bit. I've been focusing on crypto, but with the overall everything that's going on right now, there's definitely some gems out there that will be affected in the future. It's the same thing as like COVID, right? Toilet paper blew up. A lot of stay-at-home streaming sites blew up. Live cam, Zoom. Metamaterials are going to be big for rare earths. Available at like 3% gains max. I'm curious, what's the news going on? It's all going to be about what's going on. Why the world's bad guys are on the rise. The world today is a rife with authoritarian nationalist dictators. I don't really like looking at news unless I'm analyzing the emotional aspect of things, but it's mostly targeted to what you believe. If you believe in a certain thing, then they'll target you on that thing so they make more money. That's just how it works. So Vale, if you want to invest 100K and not look at it for a while, 14% dividends. All right, let's check it. Nice dividend. Ooh. Okay. Okay. 94 billion. That's pretty big. $94 billion market cap. Earnings per share, 4.82. PE ratio looks... I don't know the industry it's in, so I can't really compare it to anything. Volume looks to be consistent. Wonder why this little dip happened. And the volume stayed consistent. Yeah, this looks like a great dividend stock. Just based on the dividends and the price. How long is it? Okay. And yeah, market cap's good. It's a long-standing company. It's been trading around in between limited range for a good bit. It's not really a growth stock. It's more of a dividend stock. AU, Anglo Gold, Ashanti Limited. Have you guys seen those bills that incorporate gold? Seems stupid. No, I have not. Alright, guys, I'm getting tired. I'm going to head out, but I'll definitely be doing more live streams in the future. This is fun. It's fun to get to talk to you guys. So I'll catch you guys. Next video, I'll post it tomorrow morning. Gotta make it, but I'll post it. Yeah. Have a beautiful night, guys. Stay safe. And don't drink coffee so you can go to sleep and